Well, hello again everybody, and this is the next project I've gone and completed. This one I made because we needed a way to water the tree while we were gone, so I decided an automatic pump would be really nice. The pump would be automated based on the water level of the water in the water reservoir for the Christmas tree. So what I did is I used a PIC 12, a pretty simple application of I didn't even use interrupts. I just pulled a couple of pins to figure out if they had a high or low voltage. If they both had a low voltage, I turned the water on until both of them had a high voltage, essentially. And then what I did is I built a circuit around that idea, but I had to use the mains power because the pump I'm using goes off of 120 volts, which means that I had to be able to turn it on and off. So I think what I really did for the first time in this project that I've never done before is I played around with the wall socket power, which required me using to use a transformer to be able to knock the power down from the wall outlet to something where I could power the PIC. And I also, because the PIC was being used to turn on the pump. So what this also means, I need to have a way to use the PIC to turn the pump on and off, and that's where this relay came in. It's just a 5-volt relay, so I can use the PIC to turn it on and off, and it's rated so it can run 120 volts AC. So all that happens is when the water level gets too low, the water turns on based on, and the PIC senses this based on some inputs. And then when the water level reaches a sufficient height, the PIC turns it all off again. For a quick demonstration, I have things set up on the sink. I will pull the phone off now, so forgive how much it shakes. And it might go upside down, I have no idea. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we're at the sink. You see we got some wires in there. And you got the hose coming out of here. And what winds up happening is, or what happens, is if I was to pull these two wires out, well, the top one is going to be the top wire, right, in the basin. So when I pull it out, it's okay. What I'm doing is I'm acting as if the water level is getting lower because the tree is at the water. And then when the water level goes below the second level, the pump turns on. Cool, huh? And then it would wind up covering up that sensor closest to the bottom, and then it would get to the top one, and when the top one goes in the water, it turned off. And that is my project. I realize this one might not have made quite as much sense because I had to move the camera, and that just takes too many moving parts for me. Anyway, thank you.